Hi all, welcome back to the new session of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin and in this session we are going to learn a new different formula that is called weekdays. So let's start. So first we'll see the description of this formula, what it says. Basically it says returns a number from 1 to 7 identifying the day of the week of a date. So as the formula itself suggests, for example, we will give some particular date, and from that date, it will identify a date, and sorry, from the date it will identify a day, and from that day itself, it will return us a number. And later on, we'll see the syntax of this formula, and after that, there is something called is in the square bracket, that is return type. We'll try to see that one also. So in front of you, this is the list of employee name and the joining date has been given, and the day of week we supposed to get. How we can put this formula? We can put this formula very simply. We supposed to put weekdays, weekday, and we have to give the joining date, uh, the reference, and we can drag it down, and simply we can get our output like 664616646 like that, and so on. So if you see, today date is 7th of March, and if I'm going to the calendar, what I'm getting here, this day has been counted from Sunday to Friday actually. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So basically in Excel, by default formula is considering the day that is starting from Sunday itself. But if in case we want to get our number from starting from a different day, how we can put? So this here the role of this return type come into the picture, where we can give the different numbers, and in that scenario we can get our output easily. So I'm not changing the first column here. I am just changing. I'm putting the formula in the next column, where I'm trying to put the different numbers so that we can be able to get the difference between these two columns. So I'm just directly putting 2 and I'm getting the result like that. So as obvious, because my day is starting from Monday to Sunday itself, so so my output will be reduced by 1. So that's why I'm getting my results that is less than 1, and here it is like that. So here I'm getting the result as -6 because 1 minus is obvious 7, and so that's why. So jumping to the next basic example, where I'm supposed to give the return type 2 and the return type as 16. Simply we can put this formula like that. Weekdays as serial number, and return type I can simply put 2 and drag it down like that. And in return type, if you see 16, I'm supposed to give the date, comma 16, but 16 says the number 1 should be Saturday and throw 7 as Friday, like that. 16. You can check this output by seeing it in our calendar also, like how the results are being picked. So my numbers supposed to be 7, from which date the result has been counted. This is from Saturday itself, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. As we can see, the syntax of this formula says like that only. From Saturday to Friday we will get our number, so that's why today date we are getting as 7. Okay guys, so this is the about the syntax of this formula. Jumping to the next part, how we can leverage this formula in a different way. So basically in our previous sessions we have discussed a formula that was, I told you, like that is very powerful formula, that is called text. So if somebody wants the exact day based on the number of uh, basically the number of day from this day weekday formula, how we can put this? We just need to put the weekday formula like that only. Press enter, we are getting the results as 6, and I can directly put this text formula. And if you see, if I'm putting the DDDD like that 4 time D and press enter, I'm getting as Friday. So that is obvious because today is Friday, and here I'm getting Tuesday itself. Why I'm getting? Because here I have wrongly selected 2 instead of 1, because my weekday by default supposed to be start from 1, not 2. So that's why here my results is quite wrong. Instead of that, I can either remove this 2 or I can deduct minus 1 like that. Sorry, plus, drag it down like that. So my results are quite equal. So this was all about this video, guys. In this way we can put this formula in our practical way, so we can put some sort of date formatting and get our output very easily. So this was all about this video, guys. Hope you like the session. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next formula. Till then, keep learning. Thank you, guys.